What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're actually going to work on a motorcycle today. So, surprise, surprise. We're going to go ahead and work on getting the old WR450 up and going for the year. I've been procrastinating fixing this sucker for the last year or two. The battery has slowly been going bad, and I've been too cheap and lazy to get a battery tender. So I realized that I've kind of dug this grave for myself. But we're going to go ahead and solve that problem. We're going to put a new battery in it, and I decided to splurge a little bit and get a lithium battery for it. So that should give us some weight savings and some better performance. So should be a win-win all around. And it wasn't that much. I think it was a little over $100 instead of 50 or 60. So yeah, twice as much, but I've spent more on worse ideas. So first things first, step one, we're gonna take the seat off and get the current terminals taken off the old battery, and then we'll get it pulled out. So let's get to it. All right, so as with damn near everything on this bike, the seat is held on with a couple 10 mil bolts. So we're gonna go ahead and take those out. I apologize for the wind and road noise, but we're doing what we can. So take that out. Next step, we're gonna go ahead and pull the seat off. Next, I'm gonna grab a screwdriver and take these terminals out. So the thing with 12 volt is it's pretty low risk. Just don't touch anything metal to the positive terminal and you're pretty much okay. There's enough skin resistance to not have problems for most stuff, so should be good to go. You gotta take this rubber hook off and then we'll go ahead and pull the old battery. Alright, so battery turns on, it's rating 13.3 volts. So first thing we're gonna do is fit this bastard in here and see where we sit. So we need to come up a good bit and then snug up a little bit there too. In. Okay. That should hold. Okay. Looks like we need something underneath it too. So this might just be kind of a bit of a process for you and your bike. Every battery is going to fit a little differently. Just get it in there. It's not hard. Just got to do it. Okay. So now we can start fitting these pieces back. See if I can get my order of operations right here. Now the real answer here is I have way the hell too many terminals on this bike and I should really consolidate them, but oh well, that ain't happening right now. Okay. It's in there, it ain't graceful, but it's in there. So this terminal's got some problems, so I'm gonna strip it, cut it back, get some new wire exposed. And we'll just come under here, wrap it around, and tighten her back down. Adjust your terminal guards as best as you can. Okay. Alright, got the battery installed, got the seat all put back on. So let's go ahead and see if this old pig will start. She sometimes does not like to start very well, but I'm hoping a new battery will help. So let's see if it does. Alrighty, I think that's it. It's a pretty easy process. You basically just pull the old battery out, put the new one in, button it back up, and you should be off to the races. She still is not super eager to start. I'm not sure if that's a jetting problem or if that's some other fuel system problem or what. I think it's a fuel problem because it also doesn't like to idle super well. So anyway, I think that's basically a wrap. So hope you learned something. Let me know if you have any questions. It's a pretty easy process, but you know, everybody starts somewhere. So if you have any issues, just ask some questions. We'll get you straightened out. So thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.